Hello, my name is Rosin and I did a project and I felt like talking about it on the internet. So I've got this Martin D1 guitar. It's acoustic only and I wanted an acoustic electric guitar. Did a little research and decided on the K&K Pure Mini pickup. It's a set of 3 piezo transducers that get super glued to the bottom of the bridge plate. Installation was pretty straightforward. The instruction manual is very detailed, and as long as you follow it exactly, then it's probably going to get good results. And I recorded some audio to demonstrate the difference in sound between the pickup and a microphone.